Write the first 5 terms of the sequence and obtain the corresponding series. So we have been given, A1, A2, matte AN, which is AN minus 1 for n greater than 2. So A2 will be equal to A2 minus 1 alva, which is A1 minus 1. A1 2. 2 minus 1 1 alva. Next A3. So A3 minus 1, which is equal to A2 minus 1, which is equal to A2 is correct, A2 A2 1 ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, 1 minus 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 0. ಸರಿ ತಾನೆ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A4, which is A4 minus 1. So A3 0 minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ -1. A5 is A5 minus 1, that is A4 minus 2. The sequence and the series are as follows. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊದಲೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ 2, ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೂಡ 2 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 1 0 -1 -2 ... and we have 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus of -1 plus of -2 ... ಕಾಮ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್